Got a sweet escape planned for Easter? Don't let bad blades hold you back from breaking free. Smearing, skipping, and smudging can make road trips far from smooth. The only way to get away with full confidence is to equip your car with Wipertech wiper blades. The kind of sleek, smooth, silent, and easy to install blades that can guarantee effortless travels on all of your sweet escapes this Easter. So, with the open road ahead of you and bad blades behind you, there's nothing left to do but take your car out of park and let the good times and adventures roll on. Go on, you deserve a slice of freedom. To make these Easter holidays your sweetest yet, go to wipertech.com.au and use the code SWEETESCAPE to wipe $10 off. Plus receive free express shipping. Start packing. It's time for a delicious road trip.